That I ain't going.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and we're back with the what video. So with that being said, today I just wanted to come on here and get this vlog started. We're currently running some errands. It's hot out here, and we're headed to the post office so that I can go mail out this D.J.I OSMO Pocket 3 combo that I had. I had two of them because I bought one for my brother, and then I had one. And because the new D.J.I 360 came out, and that's the one that I'm interested in, I decided to sell that one and then get the 360. So hopefully I'll have that one soon. I wanted to come on here just to get this vlog started. Like I said, we're headed to the post office to drop that off. And then I need to go and work on some content and get some stuff uploaded and things. So yeah, just wanted to come on here and call y'all back and say what's up and get this vlog started. So with that note, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the post office. And as y'all can see, I got my little road dog with me. Toot toot, say what's up. We just came from the bank, so she's currently, sun's blocking my eye. She's currently eating her little sucker. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back.
So you're eating my sucker.
You eating your sucker? Okay. Okay guys, so we've made it to the post office. So I'm gonna run in here, ship this off, and then I'm gonna hit y'all back.
Next day.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and we're back with the what? Vloggy vlog. So today is September the 5th. The Chiefs play the Chargers first game of the Chiefs. So we're about to go to Walmart, and then I gotta run by my son's house. So I wanted to come on here and get this vlog started. So I'm gonna hit y'all back. Okay guys, so we just made it to Walmart. I'm gonna flip the screen so y'all can see what I'm saying. So we're going to get the stuff that we need to make this oxtail. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get on the inside. What's what? Let me open up my Walmart app and then type it in and see if it tells us where it's at. Okay guys, I just went and looked to see if they had some oxtail, some more, and they did. These are the last two they had. So we got the seasoning salt, the Maggi, and the brown seasoning.
Okay, they don't have butter.
Okay guys, so we got everything that we need. We got everything that we need almost. Okay, while he's looking at that, we're gonna go look at the sweets. What is this? Why is it green? Pistachios muffin. Very interesting. I don't know why I got a taste for apple, like apple pie, apple turnover, something apple. I don't think I'm gonna find anything apple up here. gonna have to look in the frozen section. Okay, so I'm gonna hit y'all back. What's this? Peach cobbler, black copper, apple. What's this one? Apple too. I'm currently looking at the dates on them. That's what I'm looking at. This say 9/12, 9/7. Okay, I think I like this one better than I like the other one, so we're gonna get that one. Okay, so we're currently looking for some red wine. So we're headed to the wine department, so I'm gonna hit you back. Okay guys, we're almost done here at Walmart, so we're looking for the bread, and then we're gonna head to Price Chopper. So I'm gonna hit y'all back. That ain't my best. I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to Price Chopper. Okay guys, so we just made it back to the car, put the groceries in the car for the dinner tonight for the Chiefs game. We headed to Price Chopper. No, we headed to Wendy's because I'm hungry. I want some chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
And then...
I'm here.
You here too?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go and Price Chopper. And I'm gonna hit y'all back.
Nice to meet you.
You said nice to meet them?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me your name.
My name is Tyler.
Your name is Tyler?
Mm.
How old is Tyler? Tyler's 3.
I'm free.
Yeah, you're 3. Okay, tell the team we'll hit them back.
Bye.
Okay guys, so we just got to Price Chopper, so we're going to look for some cheese to go with this oxtail sauce that they're trying to make here. Okay, I'm back. So we just got on this shirt that says Dabnum. And then we got on some black pants with the Nikes. So what the shirt say? So yeah. Okay guys, so we have made it to Walmart, a different one than by my house. So I'm currently picking up some hygiene stuff, just a few of them. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get over there. So I'm currently looking for like the wash detergent. Was that was the detergent, right? Or was that the fabric? Oh, right. That was the detergent. That's why I like our Walmart, because everything's in one spot. They don't even have the rest of the stuff I need. They don't have the fabric softener in it or the beads in it. I got all this shit in the way. Okay, guys, so we are here at Price Chopper. I let the hubby run in because I was tired. I'm sleepy for real, guys. I've been up all night bench pressing All the Queen's Men season 4. I'm on season 4, episode 10. So I've been bench pressing it pretty much all week, and I'm getting down to the nitty gritty. And then I'm gonna go home, wash clothes, sit downstairs and chill as they come out, fold and everything, and watch this other movie my brother-in-law was telling me about a few minutes ago called The Black Me on Netflix. So I'm gonna see what that's about and fix me a little something to eat and just chill the rest of the day, you know. So I need to do that, and then we're gonna vlog tomorrow again, and then I'm gonna end my vlog tomorrow so we can get that uploaded for maybe Thursday or something. So on that, guys, I'm just gonna hit y'all back, because when I say your girl's sleepy, I am sleepy. But yeah, I'm rambling now, so I'm gonna hit y'all back.
The next day.
What's up, YouTube? It is the next day, Sunday, and I wanted to come out here before I close the vlog out for the weekend. Not doing much today. Got up, cooked all the kids breakfast and the grandbabies. Washing some clothes. Now I'm currently in my sweet mode, so I'm currently on my way to Church's Chicken to give me a few apple pies with the icing on it. Don't judge. But
Hi.
hold on, I got somebody who want to say hi.
Hi. Look at my hair. Boom, boom.
So yeah, I just wanted to come out here and say what's up, and not really much going on today. Like I said, just relaxed day, wash clothes day, chill mode. Other than that, there's nothing else really going on, so I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to Church's. Okay, guys, so we have went inside of Church's. We have secured the package. Now we're gonna go ahead and head back to the house. Okay, guys, so I've made it back home. Now I'm currently washing clothes, and I'm in my computer room right now. Need to see if I need to do an update on it or not. So that's what we're currently doing. So I was waiting on both screens to communicate with each other, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna sit up here, finish washing, because I got a lot of clothes to wash, and then figure out what we're eating for dinner. Try to get this video done and out for Thursday. Other than that, it's not much else going on. This was Sunday, so we normally don't do nothing but try to rest on Sundays. So if anything else happened between me sitting here trying to make sure if I need to update this computer or not, because I know they had new updates come out. Once I do that, if something happens or I find out something, then I'm gonna hit y'all back. I holler. Okay guys, I was just sitting here and I was thinking while I was waiting on this to do what it do, that this is where we first started off when we just started YouTube. We started recording in here when it was like a semi-beauty room, but then it became now a like office slash heat press room for the t-shirts and stuff like that. But yeah, maybe that's another video we'll do, but I just thought I would come on here and share that thought, because I just got to thinking like, dang, if you look up at the on the wall, if you're an OG, then you remember this picture here and the music and everything that went with it. So kudos to you for sticking in there with your girl. But I'm currently waiting. This one says that the computer is up to date. I was trying to open up iMovies because that's the software that I use. I have Final Cut Pro 2, but it's a little bit too complicated. I just need to edit and be done. So it can't get no easier than iMovies when it comes to editing. So yeah. But on that note, I'm gonna hit y'all back definitely tomorrow, because we have another video to do tomorrow. So stay tuned for that one, and I'm gonna hit y'all up. See, it just came up, so I need to know, see why it's running slow, or if it's running slow. It just could be me.